Hello guys, welcome to Unacademy KCET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif, teaching IIT JEE Mains and Advanced Math from past 16 years, taught math in India as well as abroad. Currently working as head of the maths department and vice principal of Giraffe Learning. Before I start guys, please subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get notifications of all my classes. Alright, and below the description box there is a link there. You can use that link to attend my special classes, that is free classes and plus classes on Unacademy platform. And please do follow me on Unacademy app as well so that you get notifications of my classes. Alright guys, so before I start, let me tell you about Unacademy Plus subscription. Okay, these are the best plans for KCET 2021 aspirants. In fact, for 2022 as well. For 12 months, it will cost you 12375. It is 1031 per month. Enter this referral code, you get 10% off. For 6 months, it's 10125. That is 1688 per month. With this referral code, you get 10% off. And per month, 2250. Okay, you get premium content at affordable price. Structured live courses plus dedicated live doubt clearing sessions. Quizzes at regular intervals for self-analysis. Batches for complete preparation, test series for DPPs, that is daily practice paper, full length mock with analysis. You get all this under single subscription guys, that is single subscription unlimited access. So I repeat myself once again, that there is a link there to take the subscription. Alright, people usually ask me how to take subscription. There is a link there below the description box. You can use that link to take the subscription guys. Alright, and this is the Maestros batch for KCET 2021 by the best educators in the country, which was started on 15th of December, and we have a second batch starting this month, next month, that is from December. Okay, do enroll in that batch guys. Alright, and these are the best plans which I taught you just now. The 12 months will be 12375 and then 12105. That enter this referral code guys, you get 10% off. Right, now let's start with the PYQs of definite integrals guys. And this is the PYQs of definite integral. This will be session 6. Okay? Just a sec guys. Alright, I have done up to question number 48. Let's begin from question number 39. Okay, integration 0 to pi by 8. Integral 0 to pi by 8, tan square x can be written as sec square x minus 1. Now tan square 2x can be written as sec square 2x minus 1. Sec square 2x minus 1, close the bracket and then dx. I just wrote tan square theta, sec square theta minus 1. Okay, integration of sec square x is tan x, so you get tan 2x divided by 2. Coefficient of x is 2 divided by 2 between the limit 0 to pi by 8. Okay, minus integration dx is x between the limit 0 to pi by 8. Right, now I'm going to keep 1 upon 2 as it is. Take this in a bracket. It should be upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit will be equal to tan of 2 into pi by 8. Right, lower limit anyway 0, tan 0 will be 0. Upper limit is pi upon 8 and lower limit is 0. This will cancel 4 times, tan 45 is 1. You get 1 by 2 minus pi upon 8. Okay, so I'm going to take LCM as 8. Okay, I'm going to take LCM as 8. You will get this as 4 minus pi. So answer 4 minus pi upon 8. Answer first option. Let's move to the next question guys. Minus a to plus a, property number 5, minus a to plus a f of x dx, okay, is equal to 2 times 0 to a f of x dx. 2 times 0 to a f of x dx if f of x is even. Is it not, guys? If it is even, then it is 2 times, and this is 0 if it is odd, if fx is odd. So if I use this property, minus half to plus half, so let me just check whether it's even or odd. Fx is equal to cos x, okay, and then you get log of 1 minus x, upon 1 plus x, okay, and then f of minus x is equal to cos of minus x, and then you get this is log of replace x by minus x, so you get 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. Okay, now cos of minus theta is plus cos theta only, so this will be equal to cos x, right? And when you get suppose log x by y, and if I write log x upon y, if you write y upon x, then you get a minus sign. So if I change this, you get a minus sign. Log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x will be minus of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. So this is f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. So this means that f of minus x is equal to minus f of x is fx is odd. So this fx is odd. Is it not, guys? If it is odd, then obviously this is 0. Answer will be equal to option A. Alright, guys, let's move to the next question. I'm going to take this as I is equal to a plus b minus x. But rather than I do that, okay, directly I can use this property. This is of the form integration of a to b, and then you get f of x to the power of n. F of x to the power of n, and then this is f of x to the power of n. Okay, and then f of a plus b minus x whole power n, lower plus upper minus x whole power n dx, then answer will always be equal to b minus a by 2. So if you compare this and this, okay, b will be equal to 2a minus 0 upon 2. Okay, so this will cancel, answer will be equal to a only. Just use b minus a upon 2, answer will be equal to a. Right, next move to the next question, guys. Integration 0 to 1. Integral 0 to 1. All these are comet K questions. X power 4 plus 2 x square plus 1 can also be written as x square plus 1 the whole square. Is it not? This is x square plus 1 the whole square, and then this is d of x square plus 1. Okay, and that's equal to integration of x square is integration of x square dx is x cube by 3. So integration of x square plus 1 with respect to x square plus 1 will be x square plus 1 the whole cube upon 3 between the limit 0 to 1. So 1 upon 3 I'll keep as it is. Upper limit will be equal to 1 plus 1 the whole cube. This is upper limit. Okay, minus lower limit will be equal to 0 plus 1 the whole cube. So this is equal to 1 upon 3. 2 cube is 8 minus 1. So you will get this as 7 by 3. Answer is option B. Okay, let's move to the next question, guys. Okay, now listen. What I'll do is I'm going to substitute pi plus pi log x is equal to t. Okay, it is understood, it is the base e. Now when x is equal to, if I differentiation of log x is 1 by x, dx is equal to dt. And from this I can write 1 by x dx is equal to dt by pi. Dt by pi. Okay, let's call this as equation 1. When x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 1, t is equal to pi into log 1. Log 1 to any base is 0, so answer will be equal to 0. When x is equal to e to the power of 17 upon 2, then you get t is equal to pi into log of e to the power of 17 upon 2. So log m power n is n log m. You get this is pi into 17 upon 2, and then you get log e. Log e to the base e is 1. So you get t is equal to 17 pi upon 2. Okay, so even limits will change. So when x is equal to 1, t is equal to 0. When x is equal to e power 17 upon 2, t is equal to 17 pi by 2. Okay, and then you get this as cos t. This is cos t, and pi upon x. I want pi upon x, right? So why no need to cross multiply this. Directly you keep here itself. Pi upon x dx will be equal to dt. So pi upon x dx is equal to dt. Integration of cos t will be equal to sin t between the limits 0 to 17 pi upon 2. Okay, upper limit will be equal to sine of 17 pi upon 2. Lower limit will be equal to sine 0. Okay, sine 0 will be equal to 0 only. Sine into this is equal to 4 into 2 pi. Okay, plus pi upon 2. Is it not, guys? Cross multiply, you will get this as 17 pi upon 2, 16 plus pi. Alright, now 360 plus theta, 360 plus theta first quadrant. Okay, all are positive. Plus theta first quadrant all are positive. You get sine of pi upon 2. Sine 90 will be equal to 1. Okay, answer is option D. Alright guys, let's go to the next. Let's move to the next question. 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. There are certain results in definite which you need to remember. You can prove this as well. Okay, but you need to remember these results. Integral 0 to pi by 2. Integral 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x dx. 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x dx. Same as integral 0 to pi by 2. Okay, log of cot x dx. Log of cot x dx, both will be equal to 0. Okay, this is one. Next result. Integral 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x dx. Cos x dx is equal to minus pi by 2 into log 2. Minus pi by 2 into log 2, or this will be equal to plus pi by 2 into log 1 by 2. Okay, and then if you have suppose integral 0 to pi by 2, okay, log of sec x dx. 0 to pi by 2 log of sec x dx is same as 0 to pi by 2 log of cosec x dx. 0 to pi by 2 log of cosec x dx is equal to, change the sign, this is plus pi by 2 into log 2. Okay, or this will be equal to minus pi by 2 into log 1 by 2. So these 6 results are damn important. Okay, right, there's one more result guys we have done. Integral 0 to pi by 4. Integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. Log of 1 plus tan x dx is equal to pi by 8 into log 2. Okay, that is to the base C. All these are standard results guys. So 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x dx will be equal to 0. You can prove this, use the King's property, add 1 and 2. Answer will be equal to 0 only. Let's move to the next question. Minus a to plus a. Just now we did the question guys. Minus a to plus a. Minus a to plus a f of x dx will be equal to 2 times 0 to a. 2 times 0 to a f of x dx if fx is even. If fx is even, and then this is 0 if fx is odd. If fx is odd. Yeah, just now we did today's question. Question number 1. We did this question. Question number 50. Today's class. Okay, so let's apply the same logic. Now I am going to take fx is equal to, okay, log of 2 minus sine. Log of 2 minus sine divided by 2 plus sine. If I change x to minus x, f of minus x is equal to, okay, log of 2 minus sine of minus x divided by 2 plus sine of minus x. Okay, so this is equal to log of sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So this is equal to 2 plus sine x divided by 2 minus sine x. Okay, when you have suppose log x by y, and if you write log y by x, you get a minus sign. So this is minus log of y by x. If you reverse this, so this becomes f of minus x is equal to, this is minus log of minus log of 2 minus sin x, 2 minus sin x upon 2 plus sin x, 2 plus sin. So you get f of minus x will be equal to minus f of x. So obviously fx is odd. F of minus theta is equal to minus f of theta. F of minus x is minus fx. So f of x is odd. If it is odd, answer is 0. That's the last option. Alright guys, let's move to the next question. Integration 1 to 4, and then you get box x minus 1, box x minus 2, box x minus 3, box x minus 4. Very good question. Okay, now follow carefully. We know this, right? Whenever x lies between 0 and 1, x lies between 0 and 1, box x is 0. X lies between 1 and 2, x lies between 1 and 2, box x will be equal to, box x will be 1. When x lies between 2 and 3, box x is equal to 2. When x lies between 3 and 4, box x is equal to 3, and so on. This will continue. So let's use that, guys. So integration of 1 to 4, 1 to 4 can be written as 1 to 2, 1 to 2, box x minus 1, box x minus 1, box x minus 2, okay, box x minus 3. Good afternoon, Raju Prakash. Box x minus 3, and then you get this as box x minus 4. Right, take this in a bracket. So 1 to 4 I wrote 1 to 2. Okay, then I am going to write this as 2 to 3. This is 2 to 3, box x minus 1. Okay, and then you get box x minus 2. Box x minus 2, box x minus 3. Okay, and then box x minus 4. So I wrote 1 to 4 as 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and then I'll write last 3 to 4. Plus integration 3 to 4. Box x minus 1. Okay, and then you get box x minus 2. This is box x minus 2. Box x minus 2, and then box x minus 3. And then box x minus 4. 4 and then dx. Okay, now between 1 and 2, box x is 1, right? So this means that 1 to 2, between 1 and 2, box x is 1. So you get 1 minus 1, okay, into you keep this as it is. Box x minus 2, and then you get box x minus 3, right? And then box x minus 4. And then dx. So 1 minus 1 is 0, integration of 0 will be 0. This everything will be 0. Between 2 and 3, box x is 2. So this is 2 minus 1, and then you get this is 2 minus 2. Okay, and then you get this is 2 minus 3 and 2 minus 4. Even here, if you want, you write on, no problem. Between 1 and 2, box x is 1. So even here you can write. So even this can be written as between 1 and 2, box x is equal to 1. So this is 1 minus 2. Okay, 1 minus 3 and 1 minus 4. Okay, and then you get integration dx. Okay, and then plus integration of 2 to 3. Between 2 and 3, box x is 2. So this is 2 minus 1. Then you get 2 minus 2, 2 minus 3, and 2 minus 4. Okay, and between 3 and 4, box x is 3. So you get 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, okay, 3 minus 3, and 3 minus 4, and then you get dx. Between 1 minus 1 is 0, so this will be 0, even this is 0, even this is 0. You get all zeros, guys. Integration of 0 is 0, and answer will be option A. Yeah, yes, Raju Prakash, correct. Answer will be 0. Question number 57. See, guys, I have given you these examples before as well. When you have it, suppose I have a question. Integral 0 to 4 and then box x dx. Integral part of x dx. So this can be written as 0 to 4 can be written as 0 to 1. 0 to 4 can be written as 0 to 1. Okay, and then I'll write 1 to 2. 0 to 1, 1 to 2. Okay, and then 2 to 3. 2 to 3. And then 3 to 4. Okay, between 0 and 1, box x is 0. Between 1 and 2, box x is 1. Okay, between 2 and 3, box x is 2. And between 3 and 4, box x is 3. Integration of 0 is 0. Integration of dx is x 1 to 2. Again dx is x between the limits 2 to 3. And between integration of dx is x 3 to 4. Upper limit minus lower limit is 1. Upper minus lower 1. So this is 3. Add all this, you get 6. Is it not, guys? The same logic. Alright, this first I'll convert this to linear. 0 to root 2. And you get this as box of x square, okay, into dx. Yes, Raju, you are right. You have to put x square is equal to t. Very good. Okay, so this is equal to box x square. Okay, and then this is dx. I'm going to put x square is equal to t. Okay, if I differentiate, you get 2x dx is equal to dt. And from this I can write dx is equal to dt divided by 2x. Okay, so dx is equal to dt divided by 2 into x will be equal to root t. From this, x square is equal to t, x will be equal to root t. Okay, even the limits will change. Even the limits will change. When x is equal to 0, t will be equal to 0. Okay, when x is equal to root 2, when x is equal to root 2, t is equal to 2. So the question becomes integration 0 to 2. 0 to 2 and then this is equal to box t. And then dx is equal to dt divided by 2 root t. dt divided by 2 root t. Okay, 0 to 2 can be written as integration of 0 to 1 box t divided by 2 root t dt. 0 to 1 plus integration of 1 to 2. And then this is box t upon 2 root t dt. Is it not, guys? Now between 0 and 1, box t is 0 divided by 2 root t dt. Anyways, integration of 0 will be 0. Between 1 and 2, box x is 1 divided by 2 root t dt. Okay, now this can be written as 1 upon 2, I'll keep as it is. Integration of 1 by root t is 2 root t. Between the limits 1 to 2. This will cancel. Upper limit is root 2, lower limit is 1. Answer is option C. Alright, let's move to the next question, guys. F of x is equal to x minus box x, and then I'm supposed to find what's the integration of minus 1 to plus 1. Minus 1 to plus 1 and then f of x dx. Alright, note this step, guys. This is minus 1 to plus 1 and then x minus box x dx. I'll write all the integral points. Alright, so this can be written as integration of minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0 x minus box x dx. Minus 1 to 0 plus integration 0 to 1. 0 to 1 x minus box x dx. Okay, between minus 1 and 0, between minus 1 and 0, box x is minus 1. So this becomes x minus and minus will be equal to plus 1. Okay, and then yes, whenever x lies between minus 1 and 0, box x will be minus 1. Okay, and when x lies between 0 and 1, box x will be equal to 0. So plus integration of 0 to 1, box x will be 0. Right, now integration of x is x square by 2. X plus 1 the whole square upon 2 between the limits minus 1 to 0. And integration of x is x square by 2 between the limits 0 to 1. Upper limit, if I substitute here, 0 plus 1 the whole square is 1. Lower limit is minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Half of upper limit minus lower limit is 1. So half plus half answer is 1. The answer is option B, guys. Yeah, let's move to the next question. 0 to 2 pi sin x plus modulus of sin x dx. Okay, now listen. This can be written as integration of 0 to 2 pi. Integral 0 to 2 pi and then sin x dx. Okay, plus integration of 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi and then modulus of sin x dx. Mod of sin x dx. Right, now this is okay, no problem. You can integrate directly between limit 0 to 2 pi sin x dx. Okay, that is okay. Integration directly. 0 to 2 pi mod sin x dx. 0 to pi sin will be positive, pi to 2 pi sin will be negative. So I am supposed to write this as 0 to pi modulus of sin x. Okay, and then I should write this as pi to 2 pi. Pi to 2 pi and then modulus of sin x dx. Isn't it, guys? So I'm just writing 0 to 2 pi as 0 to pi and pi to 2 pi. Okay, and then this is 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi sin x dx. Okay, between 0 and pi sin will be positive. Modulus of sin x is sin x. Okay, and between pi and 2 pi sin will be negative. So this is pi to 2 pi and then you get minus sin x dx. Alright, now if I integrate this, integration of sin is minus cos. Minus cos between the limits 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi and integration of sin is minus cos between the limits 0 to pi. Okay, and integration of minus sin is plus cos. Plus cos between the limits pi to 2 pi. Hope this is clear, guys. Right, now yeah, you can use, yes, Raju, you can use that logic. You can use that logic that mod sin x is a periodic function with period pi, then you can write 2 times. Okay, and then integrate. Both are same, you get the same answer. Yes, very good, good logic. So this will equal to minus of, you can write this as cos 2 pi minus cos 0. Upper limit will be equal to cos pi minus cos 0. Then cos 2 pi minus cos pi. Okay, cos 2 pi will be equal to plus 1, cos 0 will be 1, cos pi minus 1, cos 0, 1, cos 2 pi plus 1, cos pi minus 1, so this becomes plus 1. Anyways, this will cancel, you get the answer as 4. Isn't it? Or you can do like this, like Raju, your like modulus of sin x, mod sin x period will be equal to pi only. Mod sin x is a periodic function with period pi. So 0 to nt f of x dx can be written as n times 0 to t f of x dx. T is the period of f of x. Okay, now this can be written as actually 0 to 2 pi 0 to 2 pi sin x dx, right? Okay, and then plus integration 0 to 2 pi 0 to 2 pi modulus of sin x dx. Okay, so this is 0 to 2 pi 0 to 2 pi sin x dx plus this is 2 times 0 to pi 0 to pi and then modulus of sin x dx, because modulus of sin x is a periodic function with period pi. So integration of sin is minus, now this is 0 to 2 pi, okay, and sin x dx. Now plus 2 times integral between 0 and pi, sin will be positive, so this is sin x dx. Is it not? Now let us integrate. I'll get the same answer. Integration of sin is minus cos between the limit 0 to 2 pi. Okay, plus 2 times integration of sin is minus cos between the limits 0 to pi. Upper limit will be equal to cos 2 pi. Okay, lower limit will be cos 0. Minus 2 times upper limit will be cos pi. Lower limit is cos 0. Okay, and then you get cos pi is equal to minus 1. Cos 2 pi is plus 1. Cos pi minus 1, cos 2 pi plus 1. So you get this is 1 minus 1. Minus 2 times cos pi minus 1, cos 0, 1. Anyways, this will cancel. Answer will be equal to 4. Same answer you will get, guys. Answer will be equal to 4. So I'll stop here, guys. Alright, please subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get notification of all my classes, guys. Below the description box there is a link there. You can attend my special classes and plus classes on Unacademy platform, which I do in detail. So please do watch, like and share my video, guys. Thanks for joining me. So I'll meet you on 1st of Jan 2021. New Year starting with the math class. So I'll do with the PYQs of session definite integrals, okay, of CET and Comet K. Right, we'll continue with session 7 on Jan 1st 2021. Bye, guys. Thank you, Vivek. Thanks for joining, guys. Take care, guys. God bless you. Bye. Take care.